Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix WhatsApp account restricted on a device. So if your WhatsApp account is restricted, it means WhatsApp temporarily limited your account for violating one of their policies, which is usually to spam, modify app, automation, or unusual activity. So to fix it, you just need to watch this video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first step which you need to do is that you just need to check what type of restriction you got. Suppose I got restriction on this WhatsApp account, then I just need to check if it is a temporary restriction, which is usually from 24 to 72 hours, or it is a permanent ban. And or also it may be the limited features, which is that you can't open some piece of people's message or some group message. Now to fix it, you just need to stop using the WhatsApp mode. So if you are using WhatsApp modes or APKs, then you just need to stop using the WhatsApp mode or APKs, and you just need to officially switch back to WhatsApp from Play Store or App Store. Secondly, you just need to avoid the spam or bulk messaging. So you just need to stop the mass forwarding or messaging any unknown numbers, and that way it will help you to fix it. So the third option which you can do is that you just need to open WhatsApp on a device, and you just need to click on the option of settings, and so you just need to click on the option of help and feedback. So here you'll see the option of help center, so click on it, and from here you just need to click on the option of contact us, and you just need to tell them the issue, so you will be able to start the chat with them. So simply chat with them what restriction you got and how you want to fix the issue. So our support page will open, and you simply chat with them to fix it. So that's it. That's how you can fix the account restricted issue on WhatsApp. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.